In 2012, the Department of Homeland Security held 429,000 immigrants in over 250 facilities across the country, with a daily capacity of only 33,400 beds.
It's important for people to understand that most people have no idea about the mental tortures and the conditions to which immigration detainees are subjected. Most immigration detainees assume that they will be subjected to a fair process in which they will have the opportunity to seek legal counsel, get information, have access to their families, and they will have some kind of just adjudication of their immigration removal hearings. And that is not the case.
Alejandro Rodriguez spent more than 3 years in immigration detention center without a bond hearing. He was detained for minor and nonviolent convictions as a youth. The court ruled that he need not be deported for his relatively minor convictions, meaning that the American judicial system is supposed to guarantee a bond hearing, but many detainees are often denied their basic rights.
This is a really, really important decision because this is a federal district court setting precedent for the first time legally and saying that a whole class of people who are in detention, who are in this scenario that I'm talking about where they can't challenge the fact that they're detained, and so they could be detained for months to years without any judicial review. This in the Los Angeles area is challenging that and saying that the government has to provide them with a bond hearing to determine if they should or should not be in detention. The problem with this is that because of the way, and I don't fully understand this, I'm not a lawyer, but this only applies to the district of Los Angeles, or that court district. So it doesn't apply to other parts of the country, but it did set legal precedent that cases that are tried like this in different parts of the country would have a better chance of succeeding.
Homeland Security states that the priority is to prevent terrorism attacks against illicit trade, travel, and finances through their smart and tough interior immigration enforcement policies. However, many immigrants are being detained for minor nonviolent offenses and are being treated like criminals, although many families risk and leave a life behind to give their family a better opportunity.
What's interesting is that, Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, people in detention are under their custody and in the custody of the Department of Homeland Security, but they don't own and operate any of the detention facilities where people go.
The 14th Amendment states that everyone has the right to a fair trial. Many immigrant detainees are being denied these rights. Because of this, many immigrant families are being separated. If these simple rights are being violated, then who can we count on to protect us?